Want to try something new in your next masturbation session? Then let me walk you through a sex technique you might not have heard of before: shallowing. Shallowing is a masturbation technique that involves penetrating just 2 to 3 centimeters inside the vagina with a finger, sex toy, penis or tongue. The vaginal entrance contains 90% of the vagina's nerve endings. When shallowing, you can orgasm by stimulating that area with soft and gentle motions. For some women, this technique is actually more intense than deeper penetration because it can stimulate the G-zone. In fact, according to a study, around 80% of women find vaginal penetration more pleasurable with shallowing. As with any technique, it's better to try it alone first, so you'll be able to fully relax and won't feel under any pressure to achieve a certain outcome. If you've never tried shallowing before, let me guide you through it. Step 1. Relax. Start by taking some deep breaths in and out to empty your mind and relax your body. Then start touching different parts of your body to see what feels good. Take the time to explore and try to be mindful of what kind of touch feels good and where. You can also fantasize if you like, or just focus on the here and now. It's up to you. Warm up slowly. When you're ready, open your legs and place your looped up fingers on your outer labia. Move your fingers up and down a couple of times, pressing a little and noticing how the lips open almost naturally. Now place your fingers at the entrance of the vagina and gently push a little inside, at a straight angle. Slowly move in and out. You can also stimulate your cleats by teasing it with small movements before going back down to the vaginal entrance. Move your fingers around the vaginal entrance, stimulating just the first 2 to 3 centimeters. Step 3. Keep experimenting. Now take your fingers out and place them just above the opening. Curl your fingers downwards so that the tip moves along the bottom of your vagina, and twist them back up to touch the roof of the vagina. Repeat the movement, changing the pressure and rhythm. Notice which areas are most sensitive. You might feel like going deeper, but don't do it just yet. Keep exploring in this area and let your pleasure grow. Repeat any motions that feel good for you as many times as you like, taking as long as you want. You may find that you orgasm by shallowing, but if not, don't worry. The important thing is to just explore and have fun with the sensations you experience with this new technique. At the very least, you'll have learned something new about your body. And remember, shallowing is super versatile. You can use the same technique with a penis, tongue or sex toy, so there's always something new to explore. If you want to discover more masturbation techniques, don't miss the collections Masturbation Techniques and Discover Your Body on the Emjoy app, which will guide you through techniques like edging, squirting and shallowing. You can find the link to this session in the description below. Remember, you have 7 days to try Emjoy for free. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next one. You can also follow us on social media for tips about sex and sexual well-being. See you next time!